Hi everyone, welcome back to SQ World. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to create a basic automation script using Selenium with Python. In previous tutorial I have explained about the installation of Selenium. In this tutorial I will explain how to create a basic automation script using Selenium with Python. So let's begin. Create a new project and right click on this project new and then click on Python file. Enter the file name first script and then click on Python file. Now import the WebDriver module from Selenium import WebDriver. This is import the WebDriver module from Selenium. Next, create a new instance of the Chrome driver browser is equal to WebDriver dot. There you can view the different browsers, Safari, Chrome, Firefox. Click on Chrome. Now navigate to the URL browser dot get and a URL here. Copy this one and enter URL. Open this page in the browser. Next, print is used for printing in a console. Open browser. Let's run this script. Before running this script, you need to make sure the Python interpreter is set. If the interpreter is not set, then click on interpreter setting and set Python interpreter, and then here you can select the Python interpreter and then click on OK. Then execute the script. Here click on the select this current file and click on run. In this scenario, navigate to this URL and print open browser in a console. Here you can view the open browser printed in a console. Same, you can open this application in a Firefox. Use Firefox. Let's run this script. In this scenario, this website URL open in a Firefox and print in console open browser. Next, I will show you how to retrieve the title of the current page. Here you can view the URL open in a Firefox. Next, I will show you how to retrieve the title. Use title is equal to browser wrote title and print the title in a console. Use this title for printing the title in a console. Run this script. In this scenario, first navigate to this URL and print this text open browser and retrieve the title of the page, and then first retrieve the title and then print the title in a console. Firefox browser is opening. Here you can view in console orange HRM is printed because the title of this page is orange HRM. Browser Firefox to Chrome. Now I will show you how to maximize and minimize the window in a Selenium browser. Here you can view the different options. Maximize window. Click on maximize window. Let's run this script. In this scenario, the browser, this page will be open in a maximize window. Same, you can open the browser in minimize window. Use browser dot minimize window. Run this script. In this scenario, the browser is open in minimize window because we use the minimize window. In latest version of Selenium, you don't need to add the WebDriver for Chrome and Firefox. In latest Selenium, the browser Chrome driver is built in. Let's understand this code. This line is used for import the WebDriver module from Selenium, and this line used for create a new instance of the Chrome browser and then navigate to this URL by using browser.get, and this line used for print this line open browser and then retrieve the title of the current page and print the title in a console which is orange HRM, and this line is used for minimize the windows, and you can use the maximize window. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to SQ World for more easy to follow tutorials. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.